Breaking the cycle. How affiliate marketing can help. Felons build a fresh start. Are you or someone you know struggling to find real opportunities after incarceration? The system often sets felons up for failure, but there's a way out. Affiliate marketing. This isn't just another get-rich-quick scheme. It's a legitimate, scalable business model that rewards hustle, persistence, and the ability to connect with people, skills many former inmates already have. Why affiliate marketing? No background checks your past doesn't disqualify you. Low startup costs, no need for loans or investors. Work from anywhere, all you need is an internet connection. Leverage your network and story. Your unique experiences can inspire and attract an audience. Unlimited earning potential. Your success depends on your effort, not a boss's approval. In this video, you'll learn how affiliate marketing works simplified for beginners, why your background can actually be an advantage in building trust, realistic steps to start today even with little to no money, how to turn your struggles into a story that sells ethically, resources and free tools to help you launch fast. Your past doesn't define your future. The same hunger, resilience, and hustle that helped you survive can now help you thrive on your own terms. It's time to break the cycle and build a life of freedom, stability, and purpose. Comment below, fresh start, if you're ready to take control of your future. Let's get it.
Subscribe and hit the bell.
Stay updated with more real talk strategies for financial freedom.